On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp download failed in less than 50 seconds. So first thing you wanna do, guys, is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, open the apps and then go to the WhatsApp app. Now this is the app information settings on your phone. All what you wanna do here is simple. First thing, click on this open by default option. Click on open supported links in this app and choose always allow. Go back, click on the power user details and click on app launch and then turn off this option right here. Click OK and now click on this force stop option down here to stop running the power analysis and then click on the storage or the internal storage. Click on clear cache and that's it. Now you have to restart your phone, reopen WhatsApp, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.